Hey, live. Thank you for tuning in for Jonel's Gems. I'm going to jump right into it because I'm at my son's school, waiting for him to come out. So, real quick, I was talking to a relative this morning, and you guys see the topic is the devil. So I was talking to a relative, and we were talking about some family stuff that's going on. And as I was getting dressed this morning, this thought popped in my head, like the devil is always busy. And as soon as I dismissed it, automatically, that's just what I do. I don't have time for filtration of negative, that type of thing. So I immediately to that thought and some positive things. But it made me think, like, really, what is the devil? The devil is always busy. Well, what is the devil in your life? When I think of the devil, I used to think of the devil. I used to think in terms of the picture of the devil, this big red being with these horns and carrying on, just a bunch of BS. Just a bunch of BS. Anyway, that's a different topic. But I was thinking about my current life, and let's really put this into perspective. I was thinking about my life and what is the devil to me? To me, he's being out there that's evil and lurking and all that kind of stuff. The devil to me is anything that is going to try and stop me or block me from being my best self. Anything that's going to come in between me fulfilling my purpose and living the life that I want to live. That is the devil to me. And it's not a person, it's something inside of yourself that you need to work on. Some people might be afraid of public speaking like I am. Some people, it just doesn't matter. It could be people that are getting in the way of your purpose. It could be, hi Betty and Henry, thanks for tuning in to my gems. We're talking about what is the devil in your life? And I was saying how I was speaking to a family member. This thought popped in my head. The devil is always busy. Well, I had to put into perspective, what is the devil? What does the devil mean to me? To me, it's not this evil person out there trying to wreak havoc on your life. To me, it's anything that is coming between your blessing, is coming in between your purpose, guys. This thing, so we can get some action behind these thoughts that we have. We have these dreams out here, and life is going to happen to us, but we always pin situations on the devil when it's really not the devil. You need to sit back, take inventory of really what's going on. What kind of thoughts are you producing? What kind of energy are you putting out there? Those are the devils in your life. If you're always something that's contrary to what you want, it's because you're putting out something that's contrary to what you want. So you need to take inventory on that. Figure out what this devil is that's blocking you from being your best self and reaching your full potential. That's what you focus on. You focus on counteracting that. So how I kind of counteract it is, since I have an issue with public speaking, I'm going to get on these Facebook Live. Constantly putting action behind what I say I want. If I know that I have certain fears or certain devils that are, trying to block my path, then I just go. He's already in the car. Okay. Yep. Put your seatbelt on.
Bye, Miss Rose.
Bye, baby.
You just had to recognize. Let me get around here. You just have to recognize what those things are and just go through it full steam ahead.